Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd, subject English Grammar. Our today's topic name is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, words, sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. Children, conjunction means two nouns, two phrases, two words and two sentences. We join with one word that is called conjunction. It is also called as a connecting words. Let us learn about conjunction. Commonly used conjunctions are and, but and or. There are so many conjunction children, but commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or. Use of the conjunction and. Now children, we will see when we will use the conjunction and. Let's see, we use and to combine similar ideas or odd information. Means children, when we have similar ideas and information, when we want to add something, especially in the sentence, that time we will use the conjunction and. Use of and. We use and to combine similar ideas or add information. Let's see some examples. Raju loves to play cricket. Raju loves to play football. Answer is Raju loves to play cricket and football. Now children, as you will see in the question, you have the sentences. There are two sentences and in the answer you are expected to make use the conjunction. So, when I say Raju loves to play cricket, Raju loves to play football. These two sentences to show that Raju loves to play cricket as well as football. But instead of talking all the sentence again, we have taken only the different thing in this, like here. Raju loves to play. It's repeated in both the sentences. So, we have cut it and only the different part like Raju loves to play cricket and football. So, we had joined the sentences with the conjunction and. So, now it is a complete sentence and easy to understand and read also. Let's see next sentence. Now next example is dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Now students, again if you see in these two sentences, dog is faithful animal and clever animal. But some of the part of the sentences is repeated again. So we can avoid that and write the answer like this. Dog is faithful and clever animal. Meaning of sentence is not changed, but we have joined the sentence with the conjunction and. Now next example is this Friday is holiday. I would like to go for shopping. Now students, if we see here in these two sentences, there is no repetition of the sentence. But we have added some information that Friday is holiday and I would like to go for shopping. This is the additional sentence. We are adding something. So, we can write the answer like this way. This Friday is holiday and I would like to go for shopping. This is the correct answer. Now let's see next conjunction, that is but. Use of but. Use of but. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Example, Aryan wants to play. He is sick. Children, when we read these sentences carefully, we will come to know that Aryan wants to go for playing, but he cannot go because he is feeling sick. So, here is a total opposite ideas and we have to join with the conjunction. So, the answer is Aryan wants to play but he is sick. Now, next example is giraffe is tall, dog is short. So, answer is giraffe is tall but the dog is short. Next example is I have a book. It is very small. Answer is I have a book but it is very small. Now next conjunction is or. Use of the conjunction or. Use of or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Next example is do you want chocolate? Do you want ice cream? Now students, as you can see again in these two sentences, do you want is repeated. So you can join the sentences with or. The answer is do you want chocolate or ice cream? Now next example is Rohan can go to the garden. Rohan can go to movie. Answer is Rohan can go to the garden or movie. Now here Rohan's choice where he wants to go. We have given him option by or. Next example is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Answer is it Monday or Tuesday? So students, in this again we are joining in the sentence with the conjunction or. Let us revise what we have learnt. Children, as you all have seen, conjunctions are joining words. Those are conjunction and used to join the similar ideas or it adds some more information. Next, the conjunction but is used opposite ideas. When we use conjunction but, there are opposite ideas. When we use conjunction or, we have given a choice to make a choice or alternative either this or that. Like that we given choice. So conjunction and but or we have learnt. Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Filling the blanks with correct conjunction. Number 1. The ant helped the dove dash the pigeon. And options are given here children. And or. Which is the correct option? Very good children. And. So answer is the ant helped the dove and the pigeon. Number 2. Do you like milk or juice? In bracket options are and or. Which is the correct option that you have to choose it correct one. Okay children. So answer is or. Very good. So do you like milk or juice. Number 3. The king is rich. Dash the beggar is poor. Options or but. So, which is the correct option? Very good. The king is rich, but the beggar is poor. Number 2. Join the following sentences by using the conjunctions. In bracket, and, or, but. Number 1. Ram is a boy. Sita is a girl. And answer is Ram is a boy and Sita is a girl. Number 2. Will you eat a cake? Will you eat an ice cream? Answer is will you eat a cake or an ice cream? Number 3. Auntie is singing. Meena is dancing. And the answer is Auntie is singing and Meena is dancing. Number 4. I don't like cricket. I like football. Answer. I don't like cricket, but I like football. So my dear students, you have to write this homework in your English notebook. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you everyone.